So I'm going to show you how to make crane. Some origami paper. Fold in half. Half again. And diagonal. Diagonal again. And go both directions. And then you make your pieces go together like that. So it makes like a square. Let's see. Okay. Then you take this piece and fold it in to the middle. Crease that. Do the other side. And this is the part at the bottom, you know, this is the part that opens up, right? So you're going to do that again on this side. There's some symmetry here. Okay. Then you need to open those up, right? And then, like, you have this, so you're gonna flip those that way. Does that make sense? Then you're gonna flip and fold these so they're going front ways and back ways. Mountain fold, valley fold, right? Okay, and then you're going to take this, it's the point, and you're going to fold it down along that line, give it a good crease, and then fold it back the other way, right? Okay, now there's this kind of tricky part. You're basically going to open this up and fold those pieces in. Does that kind of make sense? Like, this is the trickiest part of making this. Now this piece right here that you've made is called the crane fold. Okay. Okay. Now you have this part where these are separate. And you're going to take one side, fold it like that, and turn it over and do the same thing to this back part. Okay. So now you have this part that's been folded and this part that hasn't. And you're going to take this, fold it, and this, and fold it. And then you'll unfold it, turn it over, fold it on the line you just did the other way. You're going to do it this way. Okay. Now unfold it, and you're going to kind of open right there and bend it up on that part that you already folded. And while you're doing that, you're going to flip this part. And you'll have to crease that because that wasn't pre-creased this other way. And then I usually bend that and pinch it so that it's supposed to be like the little head of the crane. And then your other part here is going to be your tail. And you'll open it up and bend it up on that part that you already folded. And then you have to fold these together because they won't just already go that way. So there's the head and the tail, and then the wings come down like that on both sides. And then a little trick my son showed me is if you look at the wings and then you put your finger in here and gently open it up a little. See, it makes like a little pocket, right? You do that on both sides of the wings. You stick your finger in there and kind of open it up, right? And then you hold it down here and you gently pull on the tail, and then the wings will move. I'll do it upside down so you can kind of see. I don't know if I can hold it there. You have to hold it here and here. And that's how you make a crane.